Today we're diving into the Redmi 13c and exploring how to customize the control setting using Hyper OS. Whether you want to add shortcuts or change your layout, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, let's access the control center. Swipe down from the top of your screen to bring it up. Here you'll see all your quick settings and notifications. To customize the control center, tap on the small settings icon at the bottom right corner of the control center. This will take you directly to the control center settings. Here you can customize the quick settings that appear in your control center. You'll see options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and more. To add or remove shortcuts, simply tap and edit at the top. Now you can drag and drop the icons to rearrange them or tap the minus icon to remove any you don't use. You can also tap the plus icon to add more options. Hyper OS allows you to change the layout of the control center. In the settings menu, look for layout options. You can choose different styles for how your control center appears. You can also enable or disable features like do not disturb, screen recording, or the flashlight from this menu. Just toggle the options based on your preference. Once you've made all your changes, make sure to save them, exit the settings and swipe down again to see your updated control center in action. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the control center on the Redmi 13c using Hyper OS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.